What's going on, guys? I am going to do an unboxing of several different things that I just ordered because I am so excited. I want to use it all tonight, and I don't want to open it and then have to show you guys later. So I'm going to just open it right now. I'm going to use it tonight because it's almost bedtime, and I'm really excited about it. You guys, I've been totally slacking on my nighttime routine, and I'm going to ramp it up. I'm going to do better. So I'm going to meet myself where I am. I really suck at a nighttime routine. I really suck at taking my makeup off at night. So you guys know I love Beauty Counter. I've been using Beauty Counter for a good while now. And I'm just in love with it. I just can't not love it, and it's wonderful, and it's perfect, and I feel super safe with putting all this stuff on my skin and not feeling bad about it, not feeling like there's a bunch of junk in it. So anyways, meeting myself where I'm at. So we're gonna use these wipes every single night to take off the makeup. So I got the Beauty Counter one-step makeup remover wipes, and I'm going to be doing this every single night. I do use the face wash in the morning after my workout, but these are going to be the makeup removers at night. Also, my skin is terrible. It keeps like wanting to crisp off. So I was using one of their moisturizers, but it simply was not enough. And I decided that I really wanted to like add more moisture. I'm like, don't even get on to me for this, but I am starting to notice little wrinkles, you know, just like little, very, very small. Robert too, we're getting to the point where you just very first start to notice these things. So I want to make sure that I'm doing what I can to keep my skin excited and happy and hydrated and all the delicious, all the wonderful things that skin should be. So I got another Beauty Counter item. This is called Countertime Tetra Peptide Supreme Cream. And let me tell you, I did use this last night. You guys, it is like the thickest stuff you'll ever see in your whole life. And you need like less than like a pea size on your hand. And it completely covers. And my face is not dry. It feels amazing today, actually. I'm super, super impressed with this product. I am so impressed with Beauty Counter that I'm like actually considering being a consultant. I've been using my cousin as a consultant since I very first started, because I wanted to support her, but also because I love the product and the whole brand, like the brand as a whole. I totally support it, totally 100% believe in it. But I'm actually debating being a consultant. So if I do decide to, it'll be in the next week, which this video is going to go live after that. If I do decide to be a consultant for it, I will put my link below. If I don't, I will put my cousin's link below. Because if you guys are interested in Beauty Counter at all, I can tell you all the recommendations because it's literally all I use on my skin all the time, and my hair, Jack, and even my body wash. So the next thing I bought is a different brand. I'm super excited about it. Oh, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna rip it open. Super excited about this. And the reason I did this is because I've been really wanting to work on my nighttime routine. I'm finding that I'm like super stressed these days, and I don't have a good like wind down moment. So I have a little mat that I lay on, like the little pokey mats. I'll have to show you guys some other time. But there's a little pokey mat thing that it's like an acupuncture mat thing. And I lay on that, and almost every night I fall asleep on it. It's supposed to hurt. Kind of supposed to hurt. But it is so relaxing to me. I absolutely love it. So I have been laying on that, and I'm trying to get into the routine of like putting stuff on my face. But I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I don't know if any of you guys have used Jade Rollers, or this one is a rose quartz roller, but how cute. I looked at several different brands. There is a reason I chose this brand. There is a difference in false, fake not real rose quartz and jade rollers. They put stuff that can actually be toxic to your skin in these. They will mix it into the mixture that is the roller. So I made sure to do my homework to try to pick a really good brand that I believed in, that literally all they use is jade and rose quartz. Very important. If you're going to be using it on your skin every single day, you want to make sure you're getting the right stuff. So I went with Beauty by Earth. I did not know anything about this company. I just searched several different companies. I looked at their, like, what they believed in, blah, blah, blah. So I got both of these rollers. You really only need one. I couldn't make a decision, but I also decided that I wanted to do a little bit of stuff in the morning and at night. So I think I'm going to use one of them in the morning, one of them at night. So these, I'm going to just open one up. Let's see. I think. Ooh, so exciting. How do you get this thing out? Okay, so I am really excited. Oh, I should probably clean this before I put it on my face. Whatever. But you're supposed to, oh my goodness, it is really nice and cool. They did say one way to tell if it's real is if this is cool. Like if they both feel cool. So this is the jade. And then this is the rose quartz. And look how cute. This one has like a rose gold and that one has like a regular gold. And they're both very cold to the touch. But it will tell you, it actually tells you on the back of here, hopefully you guys can be able to see that, how to use it. It has care instructions on like how to care for these, and also like how to do your neck, around your eyes, your forehead, your lips, nose, chin. And it's also supposed to be like super relaxing, which is partly why I got this, so that I can just like chill out in the evening. I would like to spend like just 30 minutes kind of preparing myself to go to bed, and enjoy my night. I really just need to like learn to chill out. So, oh, cute. They put even little stickers in here. It says, be the change you want to see. How adorable. This one says, you make me smile. Super cute. And then with it, I'm going to totally mess up the name of this. Jade Gua Sha. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Gua Sha. And this is a massage stone tool that I've heard is really amazing. It does take a little bit of technique to get it down. But essentially you are going like this along your skin. But apparently these can get in like little smaller like crevices and kind of dig in a little bit more than the rollers. So got that too. I'm going to keep mine stored in the refrigerator. And it really like starts to bring down the inflammation when you roll that on your skin. And so I'm really excited about that. I got a free gift. Ooh, I got a free gift. Facial sunscreen, 20 SPF. This just came with it. I did not pay for this. But they did tell me that I got a free gift with it. They got the stickers. And then this biodegradable, reef safe. Reef safe, that's nice. So when it comes sunshine, when it comes summertime, I can use that. So that brand is Beauty by Earth. Oh my goodness, there's so many more things in here. Why does it just give the gift that keeps on giving? This is cute. They're little coasters, and it says, happiness looks good on you. How adorable. Just a free gift. How sweet is that? So many free gifts. I love it. Okay, so those are the two things that I purchased. I got a box of upgraded formulas. You guys have probably heard Robert and I talk about this company so many times at this point, but their potassium is the only one I'll use. So they also just got new like bottles. It used to be purple, and now they got like rebranding, I think. Not rebranding, but just like different coloring and stuff. This is huge. This is way bigger than the last one I got. So it's upgraded potassium. It is a liquid nano minerals. So this actually absorbs way better in your system. That's why it is nanoized. And super, super helpful for getting a lot more potassium in. That's actually going to be absorbed all the way, unlike several of the other types of potassium that you'll get in like capsule form and things like that. Robert and I highly suggest this company, just because we both use it, we both love it. You don't have to use as much. It's not like you're taking a bunch of like capsules and things. It's just a little dropper. Put it in any drink and you're good to go. But I was really excited about my nighttime routine, starting with these guys. I'll probably do like an update sometime in the near future about all of these. And like, I'm not trying to get rid of like all the wrinkles and all the things, and I'm just trying to take care of myself. Just trying to sleep a little bit better, trying to give my body a little bit more care. And I think one way of doing that is just by really like taking off my makeup at night, laying on a little acupuncture mat and just relaxing. I feel like I have a lot of stressors in my life right now, or always. It's what happens when you own a business. But I'm really excited about giving all these guys a shot and just kind of like seeing what I like and what I don't like. And I think it's just a kind of a fun thing to do when you're just, laying in bed reading or whatever. Just roll your face, and just try to relax a little bit. So I'm going to give these guys a shot. If you guys have tried these before, you should let me know if you have any tips or tricks on them. I'm super excited to give it a shot. Love, love, love this moisturizer. Probably the best moisturizer I've ever used by far. Tetra Peptide Supreme Cream. Way better than the last one that I purchased. Way better. And you just use it at nighttime, and then in the morning your face is still has a bunch of moisture, or is still like super hydrated and stuff. So I will link all of the things that I purchased down below. I'm super excited about it. Sometimes you just gotta spend a little bit on yourself. I don't buy a lot of things like shoes and shirts and clothes and stuff like that. I just don't. I have a really hard time spending money on myself for things like that. So I would rather spend it on things that I know is going to be good for me, I know is going to be helpful in my health, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to go and do my nighttime routine. I'm super excited. If you guys have questions about any of this stuff, let me know. I'm going to link it all below. And yeah, hopefully this is helpful for you guys. And I'm always happy to share if you guys have any more questions. Bye-bye.